The barn owl. Today, I sat by your grave and prayed for help. No matter how this desert has bloomed since you died, nor how worthy even the cause of your memory, your absence remains unforgivable. Then tonight, your father asked me out to see the low, full moon emerge from between its swags of cloud, and our friends out late checking sheep, hearing us, called us up the field to shine a bright torch high into the ash tree on our boundary ditch, and showed us a barn owl and 2 chicks nesting, accounting at last for the strange calls we've heard each dusk up the hill for weeks. My sweet daughter, you have answered me in every way you could. Tomorrow, we will rediscover your first-class school workbook, where, to the set question, "What is your favourite animal?" you wrote, "A barn owl," though I've never seen one.